Warm welcome, Marcus Termin, Astrological Horary book. It's the 10th of October 2023. Let's have a look at the chart. Today we have a moon changing day. I show you the chart of the position when the moon has changed to the sign of Virgo, from the fire sign of Leo to the sign of Virgo. And as you can see, the moon joins in a unique conjunction Venus and Lilith in the sign of Virgo. And right away, when the moon does that, they will all have an opposition to Saturn in the sign of Pisces. Now, usually it's like that. The moon and Venus are the only two planets who kind of can get along with Saturn. The moon is what fills the form of Saturn, and Venus is kind of, sometimes she likes elderly persons, and they can get along with Saturn, but when it's in opposition, of course not. So basically, this is a situation when the moon shifts towards Virgo. It puts in chart the grand Earth trine again, up to Capricorn, down here to Taurus. All those are Earth planets, and Venus is an Earth planet now. Moon gets into that sign, and of course, then the Earth planet circle works, But in opposition to Saturn, it's really, really hard to find a path through the swamp. We need to take every day's rational decisions with Virgo, but we hardly can do it with Saturn retrograde in opposition. It's all a swamp. It's not easy to take decisions. It's not easy to accomplish jobs and challenges in everyday's life. This is the problem. There's a swamp in between Virgo and Pisces down there. If you look at the axis of our cardinal Libra and cardinal Aries, you might realize that Aries is ruled by Mars, and Mars being ruling Aries is in the sign of Libra up there. And Libra at the same time has the South Node, which means that's not a way to go. That's a way of the past, And this is actually what we're witnessing. And then, even above that, to put a point above that, you might see Pluto here in the sign of Capricorn. He came to a standstill and will move directly this night, which means that the big wheel is going to go the other direction and moving back towards Aquarius again. Now, what is that going to bring for us? It will take Pluto another 2-3 months to touch Aquarius. This will happen at the 1st of January 2024. Pluto will be in Aquarius again, and so that is a changing energy. To say what is today? Today we might try with Moon in Virgo, though it's not easy to get through to solve some of our regular daily everyday's problems, like bureaucracy, like laundry, like getting things in the right matter. We could do that, and maybe we should do that, but we must face the difficulty that it's whenever we clean up, there might some other mess is going to show up at the same time. But don't get into desperation, because all of that is underlined by the sun eclipse coming closer and closer, which will be at the 14th of October. And there's another interesting thing today. I put in the moon change. That means we are here at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Middle European summertime. Before that change happens, moon will still be in Leo and will be a Leo, a fire force, But it's a changing day because moon changes in Virgo. And in between the change from Leo to Virgo, there's a void phase from 11:30 until 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Middle European summertime. As usual, those void phases are usable for those who don't want to have too many things to happen. Okay, thank you for watching. This is kind of a fuzzy day. It's not easy to hold the line. Try it anyway. Markus Termin, Astrologisches Stundenbuch. If you want to get in contact for a personal reading, just use this mail address. You'll find the conditions down here at my blog. Thank you very much. Markus Termin, Astrological Horary Book, Astrologisches Stundenbuch, the 10th of October 2023.